deep corrections I define as 20% plus from peaks. That's called a deep correction for me.
So if we sort of look back at the last few times we've seen corrections, they've been quite short-lived, and the following rally, in fact, has led to newer highs. This time, given the factors are both domestic and global, whether it's the FIIs pulling out big time, below expectation corporate earnings, or geopolitical worries, do you think we could see a deeper correction going forward?
I don't see a very deep correction. Firstly, let me use this word deep and define it, because this business is all about mathematics. So deep corrections I define as 20% plus from peaks. That's called a deep correction for me. All right, because if we don't define, then we are all on the different page of what deep means to Avni could be different than a viewer, then could be Feroze. So if you believe in my definition of deep, which is 20% falls from peak, which implies somewhere around 20,500 and more of Nifty, because 26,200 is the peak, 0.8 times of that, which is 20% lower, is somewhere around 20,500. If any correction beyond that, I would call it a deep correction, because that's a 20% fall. That's a very rare event. Is there a probability of that? The answer is no, in my opinion. 99% no. Okay, 1% to kuch bhi ho sakta hai, right? 2% kuch bhi ho sakta hai. Data as it presents today. Even on the election day, counting day at 11 in the morning of 4th of June, I said that 21,000 is going to be the base of Nifty. Looking at three very strong data points, not intuitions. FII had sold 1,36,000 crores in cash market. They were 89% short in futures market. DIIs had deployed lesser money than what they had received. Retail had not done too much margin funding. This combination implies that the market is light. If the market is light and goes to 21,000 because of counting, I would think a bounce back happened from 21,200 and we saw 26,000 in a very short span of time. As of now, where we stand, FIIs have continued selling in October, and almost 92,000 crores has been sold in October till a couple of days back for the first 23-24 days. But the good news is in September, they were the only month where they were positive. They were 13,000 crore positive September, and October they are negative. If they were negative in September and also in October, then it's a different connotation or different interpretation. So I would think that the FII selling will slow down in very, very soon times, especially after the US election. You will see redeployment of capital. That's my guesstimate.